Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to wear multiple face accessories in Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser and search for roblox.com. Now, sign into your Roblox account and you will be redirected to the homepage. Now, tap on the Avatar tab in the left side menu and a bunch of wearables will be displayed. Hover your cursor over the Accessories tab and select Face. Here, choose the accessories you would like to wear and open them in a new tab. Then, click on the Advanced embed at the right side. You will see a bunch of fields. Now, get to the Accessories individual tab and copy their ID. Then paste those IDs in the fields provided. Once you have entered all the IDs, click on the Save button. Your avatar will now be wearing multiple face accessories at the same time. So that's basically how you can wear multiple face accessories in Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.